Hello everyone, today I want to explain about AWS CloudFormation about nested stack. So what is nested stack? Nested stack are the child stack of other stack or the parent stack. Nested stack or the child stack will be created first before the parent stack created. During the stack creation, nested stack will use the input parameter from the root stack, and the nested stack will reference those values or parameters from the root stack. Nested stack is created with this type, AWS CloudFormation stack from the root stack. And the purpose of using nested stack is actually for reusing common component so that it can be used in multiple templates. I will show you in this demo. I will use the nested stack for security group, and this nested stack security group will be used for creating the EC2 instance. Okay, now I already have sample CloudFormation template, and this EC2 instance is my parent stack or the root stack, and this template has three parameters. First is VPC ID, the second is template URL. The template URL is the URL for the nested stack, and the third one is the image ID. The resources that will be created from this root stack is, the first one is the security group, and this security group is calling the nested stack because we can see the type is AWS CloudFormation stack. So this is our nested stack, and we get the template URL for this nested stack from the parameter, and we also passing down the application name is from the stack name, VPC ID referencing from the parameter of the root stack. Timeout is 5 minutes. That we want to make sure that this child stack is created within 5 minutes. Another resource that created from this root stack is the EC2 instance. So we'll create this T2 micro, and the image ID is from the parameter, and the security group ID is the output from the nested stack, from the child stack. So this child stack, just now we pass two parameter, application name and VPC ID. So this one goes here to the parameter of the nested stack, and then this parameter again used to create the group description, and then the VPC ID also to create this resource. So this nested stack or the child stack will create security group, and this child stack passing down the output SSH group ID. This group ID then use for the parent stack to be tied to the EC2 instance. So we can see the security group ID for this EC2 instance is get the attribute from this child stack or the nested stack, and get the output SSH group ID, which is this one. Okay, so let's upload this template to our S3 bucket. First, we go to our AWS console and go to S3, and we are going to create a bucket here. Remember that S3 bucket is globally unique, must be globally unique. So I will put name CF templates. I will put date. Now is 2nd February 2022. So I will put the date here to make sure that my bucket is globally unique. The rest I'll put as default. Okay, our bucket created, and let's upload our file here. This is our file. The first one, EC2 instance, is the root, and then the security group is the nested one. Okay, upload. And let's duplicate this. This is our root. And this is our nested stack, or the child stack. So we have two YAML file uploaded to S3, and let's create our CloudFormation stack. Okay, let's create the stack. First, we copy the object URL for the root stack. Put here. Next, okay, enter the stack name. I will put test nested stack. Okay, and the image ID, if we check again our root template, so the stack name is always being asked when we create CloudFormation stack. The image ID is from here. We put the default value as this. And the template URL is this parameter, is the template URL of our nested stack. And we can copy this, the object URL for our nested stack. The VPC ID, we have one VPC here. Okay, next. Next. And tick this to acknowledge and create stack. Okay. Can see that the stack is being created. It will take some time. So the stack info you can check from here. It is create in progress. And this is the event. The resource that will be created will be here. First, it is creating the nested stack first, the child stack. This is the parameter that we inputted during stack creation. It's basically this tree from the root stack. This is the template that we uploaded to S3 earlier. We can see again the template from here. Okay, let's see the event now. So we can enable this toggle as well to view the nested. This is the nested, the security group stack. So both is already created and create complete now. We can see the resource. It is creating this SSH. So if you go to the root stack, you can see that this root stack creating EC2 instance and also SSH security group stack. And the security group stack is actually the nested stack, and we can see from here this nested stack only create the security group in the resource. It's passing the output, the one that we declare here under the nested stack. So this is our output. Okay, so if we go to EC2, we can see that our instance is just running and now still doing the status check. And we can see that the security group is tied to the EC2 instance. This security group is the one that just created through the CloudFormation. Can see, yeah. So this is the security group SG02 blah blah blah, and the N is E00, which is this one, E00. And we can see also there are 3 CIDR block here. This CIDR block is the one that we define in the nested stack. So we have 3 CIDR block here. Okay, that's all the tutorial about CloudFormation nested stack. If you have any question, you can put in the comment. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. God bless you.